In my practice, I work with a number of racialized people in which ancestor veneration is a part of their rituals and practices passed down to them in their family traditions and values. And I like to merge ancestor veneration with icon building to help Black clients resolve past hurts. So for clients who can't name a teacher, family member, or even a celebrity who provided support for them, I have them visualize ancestors whom they once encountered on this plane, or even ones whom they haven't. And I ask them what their ancestors would want them to know that will serve them in overcoming a potential roadblock. After that, I install that for them so they always have that with them as a resource along the way, a piece of their ancestor. Embracing the gifts from our ancestors and celebrating the resiliency of those before us to survive through unimaginable circumstances is all about community cultural wealth. We did not get to this place without an investment in us from those who came before us and whom we may have never gotten to meet. So if my great-grandfather, whom I never met, hadn't built the first colored school in the area for my grandmother and her siblings, would I even be here today in this role as an independently licensed therapist and EMDR consultant? It helps to elevate our clients in this belief that nobody loves me, nobody cares about me, and pointing out how people who were in rooms whom you didn't even exist in, they are the reason that you are here because they had a vision that was greater than them. And now let's honor that by creating a vision that is even greater than you for the future.